Welcome to Monday, July 20th, 2020. It's going to be a little cooler to start the week. For the second week in a row, we'll find the start of the week giving us some relief from the heat. However, we'll see temperatures go back up again by the mid to the end of the week. Now, some monsoonal moisture will be around. Some areas are going to get rain this week and over the weekend. There'll be winners and losers, as there always is, but the monsoon definitely is getting stronger, especially in Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, and Arizona. Severe weather is possible. We did see severe weather yesterday. Some large hail with some of the thunderstorms in especially Wyoming and Nebraska and parts of Colorado yesterday. So we're going to be dodging some severe weather. Deeper moisture is possible later in the week and over the weekend for some better rain-producing thunderstorms, and we'll show you where we think that will be. This is where we are right now with the upper-level winds basically coming in from the west-northwest. And since that is the case, those northwest winds aloft dragging in cooler air from the northwest. Now, what that will do is cut off the supply of moisture from the south right there. So the better thunderstorm chances will be staying in this area today while these areas are drying out up here. And then you're going to see, when we look at temperatures relative to average, look at all the blue and green east of the Rockies here. So definitely starting off the week a little cooler than normal. These are today's temperatures. These are tomorrow's temperatures. So cooling off, not only because of the air being cooler, but also more shower and thunderstorm activity as well. Now let's see how the moisture evolves as the week wears on. And we'll show you why we think later in the week there's going to be better rain-producing thunderstorms for some of you. This is the snapshot of today. Where you see the green and white, this will be the area of shower and thunderstorm activity today in the region. Look west of the divide. Look at the drier air. Look at the big contrast, western areas of Colorado and Wyoming into Utah compared to areas east of the divide. There'll still be showers and thunderstorms here today, but they're going to be more conducive to making it windy than producing rain. Now this is today, but look at what happens on Wednesday. We have a lot of blue there. That's some deeper moisture. So basically we call these plumes. Plumes of moisture coming up from the subtropics here, rotating around the high that's in the Midwest. So on Wednesday, west of the divide, better rain-producing thunderstorms are coming. And as we go further out, by Friday, the high-pressure ridge is centered in the Midwest, and we have a really good flow of moisture coming up from the southwest into here. And that is going to lead towards deeper moisture here. This is Sunday. Notice this stretch of blue here. This is when you get those really heavy rain-producing thunderstorms when you get into the monsoon season this time of the year. You won't necessarily see this in the forecast yet, but if this deeper moisture plume does come in, this arch of moisture right here, well, then there's going to be some areas of Wyoming that really need the rain right here, as well as western areas of Colorado that could finally get some good soakers. Let's hope that's the case. By 10 days out, drier air comes back in and that plume is gone. Now this is typical. These plumes come in, then they're gone, then they come back in again. So that's exactly what we're going to see. So this is by the early to middle parts of next week, and then by early August, we can expect the next plume to come in. And if you look at the 15-day precipitation forecast, look at these rainfall totals. Now, this is just a model, so you got to take this with a grain of salt. But New Mexico, Arizona, central, southern, and southwest Colorado, southern Utah, really showing the potential for that deeper moisture to produce some really good gully washer type showers and thunderstorms. This is flash flood type of thunderstorm activity you always worry about this time of year. Now notice the arch of moisture then goes east-northeastward into the Dakotas, into Nebraska, and into eastern Colorado. But notice west of here, that plume is just not as deep. So I am afraid to say that for north central areas and western areas of Wyoming, back into eastern Idaho, this area is really getting picked on. It's just not getting the monsoon moisture to come in deep enough, and at least at the moment, that's what the models are showing. So along and east of I-25 is where the better rain-producing thunderstorms are going to be. West of the divide, while Colorado and Utah get into the mix, we're still really worried about this area here having the drought worsen. Thanks for watching and listening to the Day Weather Podcast. Have yourself a good Monday. We'll see you on Tuesday.